Southern Champion Tray is a company that manufactures and distributes food packaging to many industries across the country. Order fulfillers play an important role in this process. Here is an overview of what they do. Order fulfillers' primary role is to accurately pick orders, build and stack pallets, and prepare orders for shipment. This can include tasks like applying labels, following specific stacking requirements, and adding additional protection to pallets to minimize damages. Order fulfillers may be asked to assist with other responsibilities, such as relocating pallets, loading and unloading trucks, or preparing shipping documentation. The warehouse is almost 400,000 square feet and houses over 25,000 pallets using various racking systems. Each order fulfiller has their own forklift and is expected to retrieve all of their own pallets. Electric Raymond stand-up counterbalance lift trucks are used for all warehouse operations. RF guns are used to navigate to and accurately pick orders. Team members are required to wear safety glasses, sleeve shirts, and closed-toed shoes. Other additional food safety guidelines restrict the use of cell phones, food on the floor, and drinks other than water. A successful order fulfiller must be self-motivated. The role requires repetitious lifting, bending, walking, and standing. The average weight of a case is 25 pounds, with some weighing as much as 40 pounds. They must be able to apply logic to accurately and securely stack their pallets, ensuring product is not damaged in shipment and the customer receives all of their order. Order fulfillers must maintain high levels of housekeeping in accordance with BRC regulations. They are expected to work within all SCT rules and safety regulations to ensure a safe workplace for themselves as well as their team members. The order fulfiller position is paid based on a productivity system that rewards highly productive employees. The more productive you are, the more you are paid. There are 3 basic shifts each day. Each shift is 8 hours. First shift is from 6:30 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. Second shift is from 2:30 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. Third shift is from 10:30 p.m. to 6:30 a.m. We operate 5 days a week, Monday through Friday. Overtime needs are based on business demands. SCT offers company paid holidays and vacation days, with eligibility for all company benefits beginning the first day of the month following 30 days of employment. SCT benefits include 24-hour access to our wellness center, confidential counseling, annual marriage retreats, family days, and more. Upon being hired, we provide paid training on how to use our equipment, including lift truck certification. If this sounds like a job that interests you, go to www.sctrade.com/join our team to fill out an application and get more information.